Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of online faceless video generators. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just someone looking to make engaging videos without showing your face, we've got you covered. We're going to review 3 popular platforms: Vidnoz, Fliki, and FlexClip. So, let's get started the video.
First up, we have Vidnoz. Vidnoz is known for its simplicity and ease of use. When you first log into Vidnoz, you're greeted with a clean, user-friendly dashboard. Vidnoz offers a variety of templates that cater to different niches, from business to education. One of its standout features is the text-to-speech function, which allows you to convert your scripts into natural-sounding voiceovers. Simply type in your text, choose a voice from their extensive library, and let Vidnoz do the rest. The voice quality is quite impressive, with options for different accents and languages, making your videos sound professional without much effort. The video editing interface is very intuitive. It features drag-and-drop functionality, which makes it easy for beginners to get started. You can add text, images, and even animations to make your video more engaging. Let's look at a quick demo. Here, I'm selecting a template, adding my text, choosing a voice, and then customizing the visuals. You can see how easy it is to change the background, add overlays, and even include some simple animations. Vidnoz offers a free plan with basic features, which is great for getting started. If you need more advanced options, their paid plans provide additional functionalities like more voice options, higher quality exports, and priority support. It's a great starting point for beginners and small businesses. Next up, we have Fliki. Fliki is designed to transform your written content into engaging videos effortlessly. Let's see what it has to offer. Fliki's dashboard is straightforward and user-friendly. The real magic happens with its AI-powered video creation. You can paste your blog post or article into Fliki, and it will automatically generate a video based on the text. This feature is perfect for content creators looking to repurpose their written content. The AI selects relevant images, clips, and even background music to match the content. It's a fantastic tool for repurposing your written content into a visual format. Let's see how it works with a quick demo. You simply paste your text, and Fliki does the rest. It analyzes the content and generates a video storyboard with appropriate visuals and audio. You can review and make adjustments as needed. While the AI does most of the heavy lifting, you still have control over the final product. You can adjust the visuals, change the background music, and tweak the text to fit your needs. This flexibility ensures that the video aligns with your brand and message. Fliki offers a free plan with limited features and several paid plans that provide more flexibility and advanced options. The pricing is reasonable, and the paid plans include additional features like more AI voices, higher video quality, and access to a larger media library. Users have highlighted the convenience and efficiency of Fliki, especially for turning long-form content into short, engaging videos. Last but not least, we have FlexClip. FlexClip is known for its versatility and wide range of features, making it a great choice for various video projects. FlexClip offers a comprehensive video editor with numerous templates, stock media, and text animation options. It's perfect for creating everything from promotional videos to social media clips. The platform is designed to be accessible to both beginners and experienced video editors. The editing interface is intuitive, allowing you to easily cut, merge, and rearrange clips. You can also add text overlays, music, and voiceovers to enhance your video. The drag-and-drop functionality makes the editing process smooth and efficient. FlexClip's extensive library of stock media, including images, videos, and music, provides you with a wealth of resources to use in your projects. You can also apply various effects and filters to give your video a unique look. One of FlexClip's standout features is its screen recording and video conversion capabilities. This makes it a great tool for creating tutorials, demos, and more. You can record your screen with narration and then edit the recording directly within FlexClip. FlexClip offers a free plan with basic features and tiered paid plans that unlock more advanced functionalities. The pricing is flexible, catering to different needs and budgets. The paid plans provide access to premium templates, higher video resolutions, and more export options. FlexClip users appreciate the platform's versatility and ease of use. As you can see, the platform is capable of producing high-quality content for various purposes. So, there you have it, a detailed look at Vidnoz, Fliki, and FlexClip. Each platform has its unique strengths, making them suitable for different types of video creators. If you want simplicity and ease of use, Vidnoz is a great choice. For AI-powered video creation, Fliki is your go-to. And if you're looking for versatility and a wide range of features, FlexClip has got you covered. We hope this review helps you find the right tool for your video creation needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.